I'm excited to show you the powerful knockout white feature in Separation Studio that reduces screen load on press while still achieving high quality results. Freehand developed this feature for all of you small press operators that want to print like you have a big press. So, when possible, it's best to print the final white separation to achieve the finest detail and contrast. So here's an image that I separated, adjusted, and merged into just 4 screens. It looks great now, but I need it to be just 3 screens. So let's begin. I'm going to click on the Knockout White button here at the top, and adjustment sliders allow you to make desired changes before applying the knockout. For now, I will make no adjustments, and let's just see the results. So click on OK. And it's nice and clean. I do see some high contrast posterization on the snout and the fur, also on the tongue and the lower lip here. So let's go ahead and undo that, and then we're going to try it again. So we're going to go Knockout White once again, and rather than use the high saturation feature that would boost the contrast, we're going to keep that one at 0. I'll adjust only the low saturation slider to smooth things out. So let's go ahead and change this one to 70. And once I change that to 70, we can see the difference, and that looks pretty good. Now, by the way, the high and the low contrast sliders are best when using this feature. The Tint slider here evenly screens down data, which is great when adjusting other separations, but it's less valuable inside of this workflow. So we're going to leave that there on 70 and then click on OK. There, okay? I like what I see, and you can see the difference, right? This image here, it's much more tonal, and now we are just using 3 screens on black garment, and we can go ahead and we can trash this one. And that is amazing. Now let's go ahead and let's play around a little bit. I'm going to apply a chocolate textile color. Then I'm going to click on the black generation button here at the top. We're going to select sharper and then click on OK. And that looks really nice. And it's only 4 screens. And the image even looks great as a 1-color base or a black screen. And there you have it, an amazing print using just 3 screens. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now go make some amazing prints. Happy printing.